Hello everyone. This is chapter 2 and today we will learn about inside our earth. Okay? So let's start. Class 7 NCERT Geography. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the earth? What is the earth made up of? Interior of the earth. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric concentric layers with one inside. Another figure 2.1. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. Okay, crust. It is thinnest of all the layer. It is about 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floor. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass area are silica and alumina. It is thus called Cl, C silica, and alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called SEMA. C silica and magnesium. Figure 2.2. Just beneath the crust, it is mantle which extend up to depth of 2900 km below the crust. Do you know the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa? It is about 4 km deep in search for oil. Engineers have dug a hole about 6 km deep to reach to the center of the earth, which is not possible. You will have to dig a hole 6000 km deep on the ocean floor. Look at the picture. Interior of the earth. Inner core, outer core, core boundary, mantle, crust, lithosphere. Okay, and this is the figure 2. Continental crust, continent, ocean, oceanic crust. Continental crust and oceanic crust. Do you know the crust forms only sorry the crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. 84% consists of the mantle and 15% makes the core. The radius of the earth is 6371 km. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. Sorry, nickel and iron and is called knife. Nickel and Fe ferrous iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Rocks and minerals. The earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of minerals matter that makes up earth crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different color, size and texture. There are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Can you imagine lava coming out from the volcanoes? Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt Deccan Plateaus is made up of basalt rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so found are called intrusive igneous. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Mm, Grinding stones used to prepare paste powder of species and grains are made of granite. Word origin igneous Latin word ignis meaning fire. Sedimentary Latin word sedimentary sedimentum meaning settle down. Metamorphic Greek word metamorphose meaning change of form. Glossary Fossil the remains of dead plants and animals trapped in the layer of the rocks are called fossil. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other or broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. Sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossil of plant, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. Figure 2.3. Sedimentary rock turned into a metamorphic rock. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. Rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks and are used for making roads, houses, and buildings. You use stones and many gems. For example, seven stones, pithos, hopscotch, stand, kit, up, kit, stapu, kit, kit. Five stones, gift. Find out some more such games by asking your grandparents, parents, neighbors, etc. Let's do. Collect picture of some monuments and find out which are the rocks used to build them. Two pictures have been collected for you. The Red Fort is made of red sandstone. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. You will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of rocks from one to another is known as the rock cycle. You have already learned when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. These igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. 2.4 rock uh, igneous rock magma sediments sedimentary rock metamorphic rock magma and magma sedimentary rock magma metamorphic magma sediments igneous rock rock cycle. Let's do. What are the minerals found in your state? Collect some samples to show in your class. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and define definite chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuel, for example, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. They are also used in industries, iron, aluminum, gold, uranium, etc. In middle, in which fertilizers, etc. Exercise. Answer the following question. What are the three layers of the earth? What is rock? Name three types of rocks. How are extrinsic and intrinsic rocks formed? What do you mean by a rock cycle? What are the uses of rock? What are metamorphic rocks? Tick the correct one. The rock which is made up of molten magma. The innermost layer of the earth is gold, petroleum, and coal are example of rocks which contain fossil are. The thinnest layer of the earth is. Match the following. Give the reason for fun. Look at the picture. Karhai, pan, tawa, bell, ornaments, hammer, lamp. Thank you.